Okay, we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to create a data visualization in ArcGIS Pro. The setup for this is that I have three different elevation models created from different sources. One is derived from LiDAR, one is a photogrammetry, a stereoscopic images combined to create an autocorrelated DEM surface. Here's the LiDAR, and then I've got the 10-meter data downloaded from the USGS. So three different sources, and I want to basically compare the elevations measured at a set of points that I just digitized. I ran a tool called extract value to points, extract multiple values to points, and so in my point shapefile now I've got elevations at each point location from each one of the raster surfaces. Basically, to create a visualization of this, I go up to data and visualize, and I can create a chart. I'm going to create a line chart because I want to think of this as like a longitudinal profile that might be connecting these together. All right, so it opens this prompt for me. Basically, you're picking your X and your Y, and so I want a line that's set up at each one of my IDs, but I don't know if I have unique identifiers in each one of my IDs. So my ID field has a set of zeros right here. So first thing I'm going to do is just do a field calculation. I'm going to have ID equal FID plus 1. Because the FID, I'll show you. And 1. The FID starts with 0, and I'm just weird about that. I could have set ID to FID, but I don't like having a point that starts with 0. I think that's weird. Okay, so now I've got IDs, and then I want to plot the values from these three fields in my attribute table. Let's see, I don't want a sum. I don't really want any kind of aggregation. So let's do that. And then yeah, that basically opens the chart window here. Nothing was populated there because I hadn't filled out my parameters yet. But basically you can see, let me see if I can expand this a bit more. We'll close that guy. So at my 9-point locations, you can see that the 10-meter DEM from the USGS and the half-meter LiDAR data plotted up basically on top of each other, very closely with a little bit of deviation at location 3. But it's the 5-meter autocorrelated DEM that's plotting not consistently higher or lower, but kind of randomly all over the place. And it is pretty sizable, the difference. Like at point location 4, for example, we're talking about a difference of, let's see, 2680. So there's 20 meters in between each one of these. So probably around 10 meters here, around 10 meters here, around 10 meters different at those 3-point locations. So that's a quick and dirty data visualization process.